Are you fed up with constantly trying your hardest to make money online just to get no results at all? You feel like a hamster running in a wheel, stuck in a loop, giving it your all but getting nowhere. You hop on YouTube, click on a video, try it out for a few days, and fail. Again and again, until you feel like giving up on this whole affiliate marketing thing altogether. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get out of this loop for good and earn your first $1,000 online using Pinterest. Not only am I going to give you my updated strategy, I'm going to show you Pinterest accounts that are actively trying this method and making thousands of dollars every single month. So once you try out this strategy, your dashboard is going to look like this. Since you guys really liked the previous video about Pinterest affiliate marketing, I thought I'd make another one updated for 2025 and much more in depth. But first, let's see if what I'm saying is true, and check out other Pinterest accounts who are getting thousands of visitors every single month. This account gets 188,000 monthly views with only 400 subscribers. And this account gets 1.2 million views with just 3,700 subscribers. And there are hundreds and hundreds of accounts just like this. Not only am I going to teach you exactly how to replicate their success, I will teach you my special strategies to get 10 times more traffic and 10-fold your sales. So make sure to watch till the end. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically earning commissions by promoting other people's products. And what we're going to do today is directing people from Pinterest to a landing page that we built for free. And from there, we will collect their email addresses. Then after that, they will be directed to the affiliate product we are promoting. According to the product's conversion rate, 10% of visitors will buy the product. That means 10 people will buy if you manage to bring in 100 people. 10 of them will buy, but then you will be losing 90 visitors. That's why we collected their email addresses. Since we got their email addresses, we can send them emails automatically and promote this product or any other product you like. By doing this, you can double or triple your income. And all of this can be automated as well. This is the single most important thing in the affiliate marketing business. If you send visitors straight to the product page, you're not building a business, you're just helping someone else build theirs. You need to have this email list as your asset. This list will forever be yours, and you can promote things they're interested in. This is what makes or breaks a good affiliate marketer. I will be covering everything about this step by step in this video. So leave a like and let's go to the first step. Now I'll show you how you can choose a working niche to start your Pinterest account. First, what you want to do is come over to trends.pinterest.com. And in here, you can see what topics are trending right now on Pinterest, and you can search for certain keywords and see if they are trending or not. To find keywords to type in, you can go to affiliate marketplaces and see what categories it has. For this example, I'll use ClickBank, and then you can search about every category on here. And remember, when looking at a certain topic, always make sure to choose a topic that's trending all through the year. Don't choose stuff like winter travel, for example. It won't give you passive income since it only trends for a specific period of the year. So always make sure to choose a topic that's trending throughout the year. For this example, I'm going to choose manifestation. Since everyone on the internet chooses woodworking, I thought I'd try with something different. This doesn't mean that you also have to choose manifestation. There are tons of other niches like this where you can have even more success. So choose a niche that's working and one that you genuinely like. But make sure that these niches are appealing to women, because Pinterest mainly has a female audience, so don't choose stuff like gaming, for example. Since it's hard for you to choose a specific niche that's going to be working for Pinterest, I went ahead and found some for you. Self-help, spirituality, new age and alternative beliefs, home and garden, cooking food and wine, and finally parenting and families. Make sure to choose a niche you're interested in, otherwise you would lose interest in doing it. And on a side note, you can get my list of 100 highest paying affiliate programs for free by clicking on the link below. I'm sure this is going to be a lot of help for you since I spent a lot of time selecting each and every one of these. So make sure to download it from below. After choosing a niche and a product to promote, you need to create a Pinterest business account. To create that, just go to Pinterest and sign up. Then click on your profile picture here and choose Convert to Business. Then click on Upgrade. After doing that, you need a name and an account bio for your account. If it's hard for you to come up with a name and a bio, ask ChatGPT to create one for you. You can set this all up in like 5 minutes. After that, to make your account look more professional and clean, add a banner like this. To create this banner, you can use something like Canva. It's super easy and you can do it without any experience at all. Since I've covered this in many of my videos, I'm going to skip over this part. You can find tons of tutorials about this on YouTube so you won't get stuck. Then all we have to do is upload videos to Pinterest. Don't worry, you don't have to make them. All you have to do is re-upload them from TikTok, which is completely okay as long as you give credit to the original creator. I'll show you how to do that. Since I chose the manifestation niche, I'm going to come over here to TikTok and type in manifestation tips, and tons of results like these will show up. Next, you have to download the TikToks without their watermark. You can use a website like Snaptik to do this. After you downloaded the TikToks, to upload this as a pin, go to your account page in Pinterest, scroll down and click on Create Pin. Once you are on this page, click here to upload the TikTok you downloaded. Create a title from ChatGPT. Make sure to ask it to make 10 titles and choose the one you really like. And when creating a caption for the pins you created, you need to tell people and make people know about the link in your bio or about the link that's in this pin, and direct people to click on it. And also, you need to give credit to the video creator. You can again copy the captions from your competitors and then change it up a bit and paste it here. Or if you want to, you can rewrite this with ChatGPT and paste it here. Okay, now, after creating the caption for this, you can scroll down and come over here to the link section. This is where you want to put the link of your landing page. So let's move on to the next step to find out how you can create a high-converting landing page like this for free and collect people's email addresses. Before creating a landing page, you need to find a product to promote. If you are a beginner, you can use ClickBank to find a good product that's in your niche. Just choose your niche and look for a product that has a high gravity score. For this video, I'm going to choose Moon Reading. To create the landing page, I'm going to choose System.io because it lets you create landing pages for free. And in the beginning, all we need is the free plan, because it gives us all the features for up to 2,000 contacts. After you've created a free account, you'll be directed to a page like this. Now, from this page, navigate to the top right to the website section and click on Sales Funnels. Then click on Create. Select Build an Audience option from here. You can see there are tons of pretty templates to choose from. But the secret to creating a landing page with high opt-in rates is to make it as simple as possible. So, I'm going to choose this template. Now we are going to create the landing page. From here, click on this text box and add a nice title. For that, what you want to do is head over to the product page of the affiliate program and get some common words from their page to create yours. Since I chose this product, I'm going to type something like this. Enter your email address to get your free personalized moon reading. Then click on the button and change the text, because submit is not that interesting. To do that, scroll down on this sidebar on the left and type in your text right here. I'm going to say get my reading now. Since we want people to go our affiliate product when they click the button, we have to change the button action. To do that, go to the left sidebar again and change this to custom URL. And paste your affiliate link here. On a side note, you can change the button color to match your product from here. Then preview the landing page by clicking on the I button. Okay, now this looks good. But we have to make sure that this looks good on phones too. So select the mobile button from here and see if it's okay. Since both of these look good, I'm going to click on Save Changes and exit. Now this is the link of your landing page. This is the link you have to promote. As you can see from here, you can get all kinds of analytics about the landing page. Now just copy this URL and paste it here in Pinterest. But I highly recommend using a Linktree link to put onto Pinterest. It's really easy, so do that. I recommend you put this in your bio as well. When I did that, I got better results than before. And for the tag section, ask ChatGPT to make some tags and paste them here. And if you want to, you can schedule pins to upload at any date you want. Now, why this is important is you should be aiming to publish 2 to 3 pins every single day throughout the day. So you can easily do that by scheduling it to be published on certain dates. And also, you can change the time this pin gets published as well. Now, once you complete everything, you can click on this Publish button. This is what this pin will look like. If you click on this link, you'll be taken to the Linktree page and then the landing page you created. From here, once you put in your name and email address, you'll be taken to the product page just like this. If someone buys this product, you get a commission right then and there. If they don't, you won't lose him because you got his email address. From there, you can do email marketing to re-promote this product, or you can promote multiple other products that they might be interested in. This is really the secret that affiliates use to sustain their income without constantly grinding to get traffic. To learn how to do that, you can watch this video where I break it down step by step.